Hi, you're watching the Weekly Technology Report by FinancialMirror.tv. This week we checked out the new Windows Mobile 6.5 interface, especially the new home screen, which is brilliantly executed. Running on the new HTC Touch Diamond 2, everything looks smoother, cleaner, and matches the iPhone's slick factor. Well, maybe not. The most noticeable difference you'll see in Windows Mobile 6.5 is the user interface. It was designed to be finger-friendly and people-centric, bringing more important information up front and allowing for a better navigation experience. The Start menu now features a honeycomb format, so you can more easily tap on icons without hitting the wrong button. You can also move and rearrange the icons to your liking. A nice feature is the Windows Marketplace for mobile, a rich and integrated marketplace for searching, browsing and purchasing mobile applications from Windows phones or from a PC by simply using a Windows Live ID. Of course, Windows Mobile 6.5 is not perfect. It doesn't seem to support multi-touch, for example. However, it's a huge leap over the previous versions. According to some tests carried out by Engadget.com, a major bump is that there are no underlying changes to the core system at all. Sure, there are a few cosmetic tweaks and a couple of new pieces of functionality, but underneath what amounts to a new skin, this is essentially the same Windows Mobile you've come to know. The swiping and scrolling gestures are awkward. In fact, they seem to work almost opposite to what is truly intuitive and finger-friendly. The honeycomb menu is a glorified grid, a sign that Microsoft has gone out of its way to avoid a grid. They essentially fixed something that wasn't broken. It doesn't support capacitive touchscreens, just resistive. Resistive touchscreens are less accurate and more frustrating to use with full touchscreen devices. And most of the new Windows Mobile devices are built around full touchscreen navigation, so basically it isn't 100% finger-friendly. Windows Media Player is a total unchanged carryover from 6.1, a major disappointment. There's no question that Microsoft has gone to great lengths to improve Mobile Internet Explorer, but it's still not where it should be. Scrolling and zoom smoothness is still way off for a browser of this class, and some of the navigation is clunky at best. There's a reason companies like HTC are tacking Opera Mobile onto their devices, and we're not sure that this will do anything to alleviate the issues. We're hoping that some of these matters could maybe be resolved prior to the official launch. After all, the software is still in alpha stage and possibly improvements will be made, but we're not holding our breath. The first smartphones that will come with Windows Mobile 6.5 are the LG GM 7300 and HTC's Touch Diamond 2 and Touch Pro 2, which are expected to be available in the second half of 2009. The new enhancements promise to improve the usability of the OS, but they seem more like baby steps rather than giant leaps forward. So it will be interesting to see where Windows Mobile 6.5 will be in the game by the time it finally comes out. And that's it for now. Tune in next week for another tech update by FinancialMirror.tv.